Here's a heart expanding, energy lifting exercise that's easy to do at any moment in your day. I'm going to take my hands together and start to roll them over one another. Give yourself a moment to get accustomed to that movement. And then there's this natural moment where as the hands roll forward, the upper body can bow. If you want to time this with your breath, you're welcome to do that. And then we'll add on. So as the hands go down, we'll now sweep them over and above our head. And then the backs of the hands come together to do that same action. As your arms start to get the idea of the exercise, you can then add the spine, the neck, the hips, the knees, so that it becomes a full body exercise. I like to exhale as my hands are in front of my chest, and inhale as the arms go over the head. But if there's a different breath rhythm that works for you, always follow your own intuition. You can do it a few more times together. Before coming back onto your own feet, hands can hang at your sides. Take a breath.